Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about the objective type question of electrical engineering. We have dis- discussed about the basic type of electrical MCQs and which will help you to solve the test of most interviews and the test of any company or any semi-private institution which will get the latest test like this. So please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this. Our first question is an electric current is the option 1 is a flow of electrons. Option B is opposition to the electrons, storage of a charges, or last one option is the ionization of an atom. So our question is A. Right option is A. Right option is A. A is a right. The An electric current is the flow of electrons. Second question is an electric pressure is also called dash or resistance. B option is a power factor. C option is a voltage and the D option is a energy. So our right one option is a C. That one C. The electric pressure is also called as a voltage. Third one question is which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? First option is aluminium. Second option is a silver. Third option is a copper. And fourth one option is a gold. Our right one option is a C. Sorry, it's a B, silver. That one is the right option. And we are going to the question number 4. The dielectric material used in a variable capacitors is generally made from option number A is a mica, B is an air, C is a ceramics, and D is a electrolyte. Right option is a B. What a capacitor stores means in a capacitor what thing will be stored? Current, charge, volt, power. Our right option is a B. In a capacitor we are charged, the electrical charge has been stored. That one. Our sixth question is power consumed in a pure inductive circuit is option A is a 0, option B is a less, option C is a high, and option D is a infinity. Right answer is a A. Our seventh question is a capacitor block is a DC, option A, option B is a AC, and option C is a both AC and the DC, and option D is a none of above. Our right question is A. That one. Capacitor block is a DC. And 8th question is an inductor block is a AC, DC, both AC and the DC are none of the above. Our right answer is a AC, A option. Frequency of a direct current is dash. 0, option B is a unity, option C is a 50 Hz, and option D is a infinity. Our right option is a A. Our 10th question is the power factor of a direct current is a dash. 0, lagging, C is an infinity, and D is a leading. Our correct answer is a unity. Eleventh question is the number of a cycle per second called dash. Frequency, time period, angular displacement, and the angular velocity. Our right answer is A. It's also clearly in a definition of a frequency. The number of a cycle per second is called a frequency. And 11th question is 12th question is an instrument which has detected the electric current is known as dash. Induction meter, watt meter, and galvanized meter, and none of these. 12th question, right question is a C. That one. Galvanized meter is an instrument which detects the electric current is known as galvanometer. Our 13th question is the substance which have a large number of free electrons and offers the low resistance are called insulator, inductors, conductor, semiconductor. Our right option is a C. It's a conductor. Our 14th question is that the property of a conductor due to which it passes the current is called a property of a conductor due to which it passes the current is called reactance, conductance, admittance, and inductance. The right answer is a B, means a property which allow to pass the current is a conductor. Our last one question is a reciprocal of a conductance is called dash admittance, resistance, reactance, and reactance. Our last right answer is a B. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and press the bell icon and get the more videos like this, and also comment me below for more videos like this. Thank you.